Okay guys, like I promised, real quick, let me show you guys what I bought from what is it called again? Mama C and Sally. So guys, congratulations to whatever product I'm going to be showing to you guys now that I just bought. That's because they are going to be following us to 2021. Yes, they did 2020 with us. They're going to follow us to 2021 because I love them. So,
hello everyone to
our YouTube channel. Mama! Beautiful, right? Let me show you guys. Obviously, you guys know my kids are in here. They are here. So as they are talking, my voice will be more audible than their own. So don't listen to their own. So listen to my own. So guys, I will start with Mama C. What I bought from Mama C is this bag. This is what I bought from her. So I went ahead and I bought this super braid. So look at it. It's extension. So 2 bundles. So it's two bundle in one. This is 48 inch. So I bought how many did I buy? I bought 5 of those. This is 3 and this is 2. So that's the hairstyle I'm going to be rocking for this Christmas. So and I also saw this bead. I kind of love it. You know, I'm making Christmas hairstyle for my kids very soon, Janae and Michaela. So I bought this. But then I also bought this for the braid. When you want to do braid, this shine and jam is very okay. If you want to braid any hair for the attachment or for your edges to smoothen the hair in, this jam and this shine and jam is very good. So that's what I'm going to be using. I also bought this Mila product leave-in conditioner. It's a very good leave-in conditioner. I like it for my natural hair. It's not all about braiding your hair as natural, but you need to put a good leave-in conditioner underneath before adding any other extension. So I normally buy my leave-in conditioner. So it's either I use this TGIN or I use this. And I have one other, so I've not opened the Sally bag. I'll show you guys. Those are my leave-in conditioner that I normally use. And also, you know, this is winter. Everywhere is getting dry. Skin is dry. Lips is dry. So I went ahead to buy this Macari baby oil. And the price is $23. So it's $23. And all those ones, okay, this is $22. So this one is $22. This one is $22.99. That's $23. This one is $23. This one is $22. And this is $24. So I'm going to be adding this to my kids' cream so that their body will be well moisturized in this winter, because I don't want all their skin to be super dry. Then I bought this oil. This is white growth oil, $15, $14.99. That's $15. I don't even know how much she's selling it though. Did she tag the price? So you see, initially I was not telling you people the price, but now that I see that the price is glued to it, it makes my life super easy. So where is the price in this one now? Okay. She did not glue the price to this one like the rest. This shine and jam, I bought this one for $14.99. And all this beads, let me see if she have the price in them. No price tag. She gifted me this, so no price. You know it's winter. I also bought 2 lip gloss from her, and I bought these bands for my kids' hair packing. So no price, no price. So in total, okay guys, obviously Kian is here because he keep offing all my lights. He off the light that I'm using, so I have to carry him. Stay here. I'm not going anywhere. Kian was shaking all the lights, so I have to bring him here. So he stopped messing with my light. I've already changed his clothes since we came back, so he will be comfortable. And in total, we spent $184.02. So I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what I spent at Mama's. I'm done with Mama C, and I went to Sally. Boy. Oh no, this is not Sally. You know I said Sally before, sorry. It was not Sally. I saw Sally there because where we went to, Sally was very close to that place. Sally, Mama C, and Beauty Supply, they all deal on the natural hair products. So I went to Beauty Supply. So this is what I bought from Beauty Supply. So I bought this. Okay, obviously, these people did not make my life easy like Mama C. Mama C glue her price, but this one's no price. I bought Cantu for kids. And I bought my favorite all-time leave-in conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaica Black Castle Oil Strength and Restore Leave-in Conditioner. Is my all-time favorite. So this one is my all-time. Like I've been using it since I became natural, and I will never stop using it. This. So I bought it, and God, this is a lifesaver. Shea butter. Do you guys call it shea butter? Shea butter. In my place, we call it Oreo. So this is a lifesaver. Like during summer, once you on heat and all that, at times at night, your nose will be so dry because of the heat. So all I normally do when my airway is dried like that in winter because of the heat, I just get a little like this, moisturize my nose, then my airway will be free. And Oreo, which is shea butter, you can also use it for your lip like this. It does not end there. You can also use it for your children's hair, your hair. And when your body is dried again in winter, I just put this in my hand. I can rub it with my cream. So this is what do you guys say? Multi-purpose. You can use it hair or butter everywhere. You can use Oreo. So I bought natural. This is all natural, pure white shea butter. So I bought this, and I bought Cantu leave-in conditioner here. So and I bought this Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Coil. Hopefully you guys are seeing it. So, and I bought this, my all-time favorite for Kiss Care Coiling Cream is Cantu. I bought 2 of those. Then I bought, oh my word, this is another one. They might be, oh, I think my kids must have thrown one of the old one in my bag. So this is the styling custard. It's still the Cantu product, but I love the styling custard for baby skin's hair. Oh my, I love it. Then what did I buy again? Oh, and I bought this. You know, if you have watched my video of my hair product, these 2, they are my all-time favorite too. I will never stop buying them. I always marry them together. They go pari passun. They are husband and wife. Lovers. Yes. When I add these 2 together, my hair love it. It brings out my coils like no man's business. So, that being said, I also bought for some reason my husband liked buying me this, and I don't think it works. Sometimes after making my hair, that's the reason why you see that I don't make hair most of the time. After making my hair, my scalp will start inching. It inches so bad. So my husband started buying me this apple cider vinegar root relief. The last time I used it, not relieve anything. My root was still inching. So for some reason, the man keep putting it in my cart. So I have it here. So that's in my comment section. Please, if you know what I can be rubbing in my roots that will make my scalp stop inching, because I literally wash my hair every 3 days. So this time I'm about to make, and I don't know how I'm going to cope with it. Maybe I'll go rub a boliki for the down. It's a joke about tell me what I should be rubbing that will stop the roots from inching. So, and I bought this styling custard again, and I bought my all-time oil, Jamaica mango and lime black castor oil. So what else? Nothing. The bag is empty. They might not glue their price, but luckily the receipt is right here. I spent $123.03. Can you see that? That brings me or us to the end of this video, because obviously my kids were in the background. Thank you so much for always watching. Big shout out to all my fellow content creators. I am in shock. Like, I'm shook. You people keep coming back to watch my video on a daily basis. I was not expecting it to. You know, in this life, and when you expect somebody to do something for you and they don't do it, you'll be disappointed. I was not expecting it. But now that you guys have shown me this too much love, can't help but to say thank you. Thank you so much for every one of you watching and sharing. God bless you all. Merry Christmas. This brings the video to an end.